Don't worry if you're not a fan of 7-Up. You won't be able to taste it in the cake, but the carbonation from the soft drink makes this pound cake so soft and moist. Adding whipping cream to the batter makes it even more rich. To up the citrus flavor, we add zest in the cake and lime juice in the icing. Serve as is or with fruit, whipped cream, custard, or ice cream. I guarantee this will be a hit at your next dinner. Pour 3 cups of sugar into a large bowl. Now zest 1 lemon over the sugar so the sugar can absorb all of the oils. I recommend using 2 lemons, but I was feeling lazy. Now zest 1 lime over the sugar. Again, I recommend zesting 2 limes. This is a big cake. Now with a fork or with clean dry hands, mix it up. Citrus zest smells so good. Now add 3 sticks of softened unsalted butter. Cream the butter-sugar mixture until it turns light and fluffy. Now beat in 5 large eggs, one at a time. Once I add an egg, I beat the mixture until the egg is no longer visible. Now add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of vanilla and 1 teaspoon lemon extract if desired, or you can use a lemon emulsion. Now sift in 3 cups of flour and a half teaspoon of salt, 1 cup at a time. I use a whisk instead of the electric mixer because I don't want to overmix. Now mix in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Now mix in a cup of 7-Up or Sprite. The mixture will look curdled, but keep mixing until you get a fluffy batter. Pour the batter into a greased and floured bundt or tube pan, smoothing it out. Bake in a preheated 325-degree oven for about 70 minutes, or until a skewer comes out clean. Let cool in the pan for 15 to 20 minutes, then flip it out onto a platter or plate. Let cool for another 90 minutes before icing. The icing I used was just powdered sugar and lime juice. You want it thin enough to flow, but not so thin that it won't stick to the cake. Slice and serve. Enjoy.